Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 5 pipe, and this exhaust manifold is a 5 pipe, and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here. And this is a available today drafting is also you can see here easily. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view. All dimension and all geometry easily detailed here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet is 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter, and pipe fillet is 98 millimeter, and flat pipe fillet is 68 millimeter. Means this is a pipe fillet is a this fillet is a 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter. And all geometry and all dimension you can see here easily. And this geometry the help of this body's design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly you can see here. Okay, this is a this body is designed, and this is looking perfect and correct and this hole is also looking perfect and this is very useful and helpful okay, this project and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a perfect. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first the part click here, and some setting is a very important. This is a plain white, and use this system option is going to document property, and image quality is very high because this geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this part, and this part is a dimension is a this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter, and this distance between two center is a 136 millimeter, and this a small circle is 17 millimeter is diameter, and this 32 millimeter is big circle. And the important things, the angle between two line is a 38 degree. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay, this is a correct. And some line is a drawing here because this line is a reference line, and the line is a help of a drawing this body. Okay, and two line is drawing here. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a coincident. Okay, and again select this line and this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very important. And the angle between these two line is a 38 degree, and this is a very useful. Okay, and next is a drawing two circle, three circle is drawing here. First circle is drawing this a big circle, and two a small circle is drawing here, two end point. Okay, and this is a very useful. And both circle press a control button and both circle is select here, and some relation is a this equal. Okay, and connect to this line to this is a tangent, and one by one all is a connect here. Okay, and also this is a connect here, connect to this, and all line is a tangent because this is a very important. Okay, Okay, this is a connect to this okay, and all this both is a tangent and use also tangent, and this is a selector and use a tangent and also tangent. Okay, and dimension is a this big circle is 104 and cutout is next. Okay, this is 34 millimeter diameter, 32 millimeter. Okay, align a dimension is this is a 34 millimeter and big circle is 104 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance between two center point 136 millimeter, 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a okay, this is a perfect 32 millimeter. Okay, 32 millimeter and 32 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is use a touch here and very nice, and this is a fully defined because this body, this is a geometry is a this is a black color means this all geometry is fully defined, and some trim command is used here and use a power trim, and some extra portion is delete here because this is a okay looking perfect and all extra portion is delete here and correct. Okay, and click OK, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 12 millimeter and this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this use a 10 millimeter and blind and okay. Okay, this is very nice looking here, and use a this face sketch normal, and again select a drawing this a big circle, and this use a cutout, and cutout is a okay, again select this and use a this. Okay, and also this press a control button and both circle is selected and use a equal, and okay, this is a 17 millimeter and this is a 72 millimeter and both is a cutout. Okay, and use a extrude cut, and cut is a through all and click OK. This cutout is a very nice looking here and okay. Okay, next is use here one is correct, and this pattern is a 5 and use a 1, this distance is a this center to point to this both center distance is a 120 millimeter and pattern is 5. Okay, again select this sketch normal and use a line because this line is use the help of this pattern. Okay, this line is drawing here, this line is a click a horizontal. Okay, and use a pattern is a linear pattern click this line and pattern is 5 and this distance is 120 millimeter. Okay, and this body is select here and this okay, and use a reverse direction, and pattern is 5 and this distance is a 120. Okay, this is a spacing and instances distance between two center is 120 millimeter, pattern is 5. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a height because this board is looking perfect and isometric view is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this is a distance is 171 millimeter is this, and use a drawing this body, and this body is a this between distance is 130 millimeter, and this distance is a 106 millimeter, and this big circle is cutout is 72 millimeter, is perfect, and a small circle is 16 millimeter, and this big circle is 34 millimeter. Click OK, and again select a top plane and use a create a plane, and this distance is 171 millimeter, and direction is flips offset, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this plane sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect. Draw a this use a center line and connect this point to this. Okay, and again click a center line and draw a line, is a vertical line is drawing here. This is a okay, and this vertical line is correct, and this plane is height. Okay, because all is looking perfect, okay, and drawing a use a hexagon is a this is a 3 parameter is 3, inscribe circle and click this, and drawing a drawing a triangle, and all select all 3 edges and use a construction. Okay, and this is a horizontal, perfect, and this geometry is this 130 millimeter, this center to this point, and okay, this center to this point is distance is a 130 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and also draw this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 2 circle is drawing. Okay, and this circle is drawing easily, because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first okay, and this is a connect to this, and all one by one is connect, and you remember all is a tangent connected here, because tangent is a okay, or this is not connect a tangent, because you can select a both line and use a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect, and this line is not tangent, use a tangent. Okay, this is also tangent, this is correct. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a big circle is 34, and a small circle is cut out is a 16 millimeter, and use this to this point to this distance is 106 millimeter. Okay, and align a dimension. Okay, this point to this distance is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this big okay, and some relation is all big circle is select here and use equal relation, and a small circle is also select, press a control button and all is select here and use a equal. Okay, and the big circle is a 34 millimeter and a small circle is 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect and connect to this is a okay, this is a perfect okay, connect to this tangent connected here, and this is a 32 millimeter 672 millimeter because this is a cutout. Okay, all is perfect because this is a black color is means this is a fully defined, and some extra portion is delete here and deleted this. Okay, this is a delete here and also this is a delete here. Okay, this is a delete here and correct, click OK. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this thickness is a 12 millimeter and this thickness is 12 millimeter is perfect, and use a okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice look, very nice looking here, and this is a very important, and this pipe is drawing here and pipe to connect to this body to this. Okay, all is perfect and this use a 114 millimeter this thickness, this length, and this is a 54 millimeter, and this is a very important, and this use a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is connect here, a line is connect, line is select here, and use this circle is this center, and this okay, this is a perfect this line is a perfect drawing here, and again select this line and use a this center is a distance is a this. Okay, and this is a okay, this okay, this is a perfect and correct and also connect a line, connect to this point to this and use a this. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and align a dimension, this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 54 millimeter, 54 millimeter is this, and some use a downward because this is a connect a center. Okay, this is a correct and some use of fillet is pipe fillet is 98 millimeter and fillet is 68 millimeter is used here, and use of fillet is a 98 okay, 98 millimeter, and use okay, 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this point is this, and okay, and okay, okay, and exit, and next is this face is select sketch and draw. Okay, this select here and use a convert entities and click OK. Okay, and use a profile is also select here and use a path is drawing here and use a swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here and use a path, and this pipe is drawing here and connect to this point to this and use click OK. This is a perfect and correct okay, next is a okay, this is a drawing here is perfect okay, okay, and next is a again select this is a 3D sketch and drawing a click a line, and line is a perfect, and this is a this okay, select a this, and this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line. A line is a use a this circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and again select a vertical, both is vertical, and again select a line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a use a 104 millimeter, and this use a 54 millimeter, but this point is not a center, and connect to this center is this, and also this is a okay, and connect to this point is drag here. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, and click OK and OK. But this is a this drag here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and exit, and also select this face sketch, and draw, select this, and use a convert entities, and click OK, and apply a swept boss base. And swept boss base is for this profile is automatic. Select here and click a path. Path is a select here. Okay, but this is not a okay, this is a okay, and this use a edit a sketch, and drawing a this, and also this sketch is also editing here, and this okay, and this line is a delete here. Okay, and select this line, and use this circle is a drawing here, and use this. Okay, connect to this, and some important point is discussed here, and this dimension is a 54 millimeter, and okay, okay, this is a perfect. And this use a 104 millimeter, and click OK, and again select a swept boss base, and this profile is select here, and this path is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, 2 is a drawing a perfect, and and next is a okay, this is a very important, and again select this 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing a okay, select a construction line, this center to drawing this vertical. This line is a select a vertical, okay, not vertical, then use a press a tab and select a vertical line and use a this is a perpendicular line is drawing here, and this line and this line is very nice looking here, and exit and use a plane is created here and select this and this, click OK, and some mirror is also, and mirror is a select a twist first and second, okay, this is a very nice, okay, this is a use this but okay, and edit, and also this is delete here, and one is perfect and click OK, okay, okay, and this is a one is a drawer and this is a copy, okay, this is a perfect perfect and correct, and also and again select a 3D sketch and drawing okay, select this and drawing this center a line is this is a vertical line, this line is a vertical, okay, and again select a line and this is a use this and draw a vertical line, okay, this is not vertical and delete here, and again select line is a select this center and this distance is a not perfect and use a, okay, this is a press a tab button and click this is a vertical, okay, and two vertical line and again select a line and connect to this, okay, okay, this is a perfect and also this geometry is a 104 millimeter and select this is 54 millimeter, okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and also this fillet is used here, and this 98 is this, and 68 is this, click OK, click OK, and this is a drag here this and this center to this, okay, perfect, but this point is also drag here, okay, this is not drag here, this is a fix, but this line is a not, this also drag here, and okay, this is a perfect line is connect to this center line, coincident, okay, this is a perfect and exit, and next line is this face is selected a sketch and select this line, use a convert entities, and also this is a perfect and exit, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is selected and click a path is also this is a perfect click OK, okay, this is very nice looking here, but and again select a mirror. Mirror is this. Mirror is a this. Okay, plane is select here and use a this and use a this and click OK. Okay, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this plane is also hide. Okay, and cell command is a use here, and 1 millimeter is cell command is use, and all face is select here. This 1 by 1 is select here, and also this and use OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and okay, this is a perfect, and some material is apply here and use a material. Material is a this metal is a nickel is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and one. Okay, this all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is a 2 millimeter is correct, and this use a chamfer is 2 millimeter 45-degree angle, and all select a 1 by 1. Okay, this and okay and also select a chamfer is this and click OK, and also select a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this and not a multiple select here. Okay, chamfer is also select here is this, click OK, and also select a this. Okay, and next last is a click this is a 2 millimeter 45-degree angle is select here this and click OK. But next point is a 1 millimeter is fillet is used here, and select a this face and use a 1 millimeter and select a back side is also this is a OK, and also select a fillet is a use this face, and back side face is also this face, click OK, and fillet is use this is okay this face, and back side is also this face and click OK, and okay, select this face and select this face. Okay, and also and use this, and back side and front side is both face is select here 1 by 1, and last is a fillet is use 1 millimeter select this face and use a back. Okay, this face is click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and also fillet is used here and click this line, but this 1 millimeter and also select a 2 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3 millimeter increase, and also this is a 4 millimeter and click OK. Then some very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a fillet is this, and also select a this is a correct and perfect. Okay, this is a okay, not use here, but some okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this is a 5, this body is a exhaust manifold, connect 5 pipe, and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.